Hello everyone! In this video we will talk about the Certificate of Tax Residency in Turkey. What is it, why it matters, and how to apply for it under the current legislation. If a taxpayer wants to benefit from the tax advantages provided by the double taxation avoidance agreements between Turkey and other countries, obtaining a Certificate of Tax Residency is essential. This document proves that a person or entity is considered a tax resident in Turkey and is fully liable to taxation in the country. Without this certificate, it's not possible to take advantage of treaty-based tax exemptions or reductions. Who can apply for this certificate? In Turkey, the certificate can be obtained by individuals or legal entities that are full taxpayers, Turkish citizens residing in authorized cities even if they are not registered as regular taxpayers, and foreign nationals earning income in Turkey regardless of whether they are registered as taxpayers. The application process involves submitting a specific petition, as outlined in the Circular Number 2013/1 issued on December 20, 2013. This petition must include all relevant personal or corporate information and comply with the latest official terminology. According to the Presidential Decree number 161, published on July 3, 2024, a key administrative change has been made. The authority previously held by the Tax Office Directorates has now been transferred to the Provincial Directorates of Finance. This change must be reflected correctly in the application documents. There are two main categories of authorities based on who is applying. 1. Provincial Directorates of Finance, located in cities like Ankara, Istanbul, İzmir, Bursa, Antalya, Kocaeli, and Trabzon. And these offices handle applications from individuals or companies registered as taxpayers in Turkey, as well as Turkish citizens living in those provinces who may not be officially registered as permanent taxpayers. And secondly, Revenue Administration, Department of EU and Foreign Affairs. This unit is responsible for handling applications from foreign nationals regardless of whether they are taxpayers, as well as special cases involving countries like Austria, Switzerland, and Saudi Arabia. Applications can be submitted either physically or electronically through the Digital Tax Office. By the way, you can find the link below in the description, or via e-government portal. In either case, it's important to use the correct petition format and ensure that all details align with the current regulations. Lastly, this certificate can also be used by foreign taxpayers who earn income in Turkey. For example, if they want to limit taxation in Turkey based on a tax treaty, they may present a Certificate of Residency issued by their own country. So, to recap, this certificate proves that a person or company is a tax resident in Turkey. It's a requirement for benefiting from the provisions of double taxation treaties. The application process varies depending on the applicant's status and nationality. It must be submitted to the appropriate authority, either a Provincial Directorate of Finance or the Revenue Administration. And finally, the petition must reflect the latest changes in the authority names and administrative structure. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation clarified the purpose and application process for a Certificate of Tax Residency in Turkey.